I didn't want to work at a quote-unquote factory or anything like it. It just wasn't in my plans. A lot of places, it's like you break your back kind of thing. They use you for your body, not your mind. It's okay to be physical and do what you got to do with that, but it wasn't for me.
I was about to get married, looking for a change of pace, looking to find somewhere to start a career, really, and this seemed like a great opportunity.
I worked at another aluminum mill for a little over 34 years, and the opportunities that I saw here to grow this plant. Every day when I'm out on the floor talking with these employees, it just renews that decision that I made when I came.
It's an atmosphere of teamwork. People come together to help each other. In big manufacturing companies, to have people that want to help you be successful, I think that's critical, and that's really what happens here.
Just talk to them and you sense their excitement, their energy, the things that they want to do to make this plant better.
I've worked here 2 years and I'm already an area lead on the line, so it's pretty awesome how you feel like you can actually grow here. A lot of people are in a factory for like 10 years, but here it's like it's easier for you to move up. They want you to succeed. They want to see you do better. You actually feel like part of the team here.
I got promoted to lead out here, and they respect you. If you put in the work, they respect you and they'll listen to you.
It's pretty much about how fast you learn, how much you want to learn, and how much you do with what you do learn.
But having that team concept, that means you can work together. You can collaborate. You can build on each other to take a good idea into a great idea.
I think a lot of people here, they come for the pay, but they stay for the people that they work with. You know, I think for the relationships you build on the floor is what I stay for.
This is awesome for me to be able to come in and be in this kind of environment and get paid as well as I do.
But as we go forward and we teach them the how to manage the business themselves, then the company grows, we grow, the team grows.
Normal places, the manager will interview the hiring manager, the training manager. Well, here, it's literally the people you're going to work beside.
Because you spend more time at work than you do at home. So I really feel like this is like my work family.
We really do become like a family. You know, we spend more time here than we do at home.
And that's another reason why you stay, because you're working with people that you said you wanted to work with.
When I got here and noticed how the people work together and we all learn from each other, we all grow from each other, we all help each other, I knew I was at the right place.
They put you in a position to succeed, you know, and it's up to you what you're going to do.
Everybody's got their own job. There's never going to be a time that somebody's out here on the floor saying, I wish I had more training in a certain area, because if they want it, we're going to make sure they get it.
They will help you. They will help you grow. If you put in the work, they will reward you.
The future growth of this plant is just amazing. The potential of the employees we have, the potential of the machines we have, and that's one of the things that intrigued me and what lured me here to this facility.
It's crazy how you can build a career here. You know, I just can't stress it enough. I never thought that I would enjoy working in a factory, but I don't know. It's just something about it. I just love being around people, and I love making a difference.